Hi, it's Chris with WTI. If you're looking for or are the owner of an older sailboat, the book entitled This Old Boat by Don Casey is without doubt a must-have addition to your boating library. I purchased this book a while back after acquiring a 1976 22-foot O'Day sailboat. Here's what it looks like when I was finished refurbishing it with the assistance of this book. The book starts off with a chapter on how to identify and afford the dream sailboat. Because I already owned the boat when I purchased the book, the first chapter that was helpful to me is called Scratch and Itch. If you've ever worked with fiberglass, you know exactly what he's talking about. I had to do repairs of cracks behind backing plates to fixing core rot on the deck. I really benefited from the chapter entitled Amps and Volts, as I had to almost completely rewire the electrics in the boat. Another great one is called Going with the Flow, dealing with everything to do with plumbing on a boat. I had to repair the head, also known as toilet, as well as do hose repairs and clean out of the drinking water system. This book is very well written and easy to follow. There is an index as well as a number of blank pages in the back for taking notes. I highly recommend getting the hardcover copy, but that's just my point of view.